Today I'm going to be discussing why I don't make New Year's resolutions and what I do instead. If this is your first time landing on one of my videos, welcome. My name is Debbie. I am a plant-based RN and I follow the Starch Solution. On my channel you're going to find quick and easy whole food plant-based no oil recipes that also happen to be gluten-free because I do have celiac, so I cannot consume wheat, rye, and barley. If you'd like to learn more about this lifestyle, please subscribe to my channel. So let's talk about New Year's resolutions. Personally, I do not make them and I haven't for quite a few years, and there's a few reasons why. I don't like the term resolutions. It implies that something needs to be fixed. And I just feel like this is a very negative concept, negative energy, because you're not broken. You don't need to be fixed. And resolutions really don't work for the most part. They're usually too vague, like I want to lose weight, I want to get in shape. I also think New Year's resolutions set you up for failure. For me in the past, I'd make all these grand resolutions, and then about the third week of January, it's all fallen apart. I feel really bad about myself. Then here comes the negative self-talk, and it's just counterproductive. A lot of the times, the New Year's resolutions are just like a quick fix. I want to lose 10 pounds and I'm going to do it in a month. Or I'm going to get in shape and I'm going to get in shape in 6 weeks. These are unattainable goals for most of us. I prefer to make intentions instead of resolutions. It's a different kind of energy. To me, it's more positive. It's like, what are your intentions to weight loss and getting healthy? What does that mean for you? Intentions are what you plan to do whether you're successful or not. It's your intention. You're intending to do X, Y, and Z. And I just think it's a little bit more forgiving than a New Year's resolution. I'm going to start on January 1st. You can start making changes any day of the year. It doesn't have to be January 1st. It doesn't have to be on a Monday. Just start. Start today. If you genuinely want to make changes, you will start no matter when it is. Today, it could be in the middle of summer. You decide, I'm going to start making some changes. It doesn't have to be at a set time. It's a marathon and not a sprint. You are building habits towards a healthy lifestyle, and the Starch Solution is a lifestyle. It's about being consistent. These things do not happen overnight. It's going to take a period of time, and you're going to build on small habits, small changes. You will make mistakes, you will feel frustrated, you will want to give up, you will feel overwhelmed. All these are normal, and it's all part of the process of growing. So let today be the day. Make a minor change, a small little change. You need to take action to make any kind of changes. Maybe today is the day that you ordered the Starch Solution book. Maybe today is the day that you sit down and you write out why you want to be healthy, why you want to make these changes. What would it mean to you and your family? What would that look like if you lost the weight, if you got healthy, if you weren't a slave to all these medications? How would your life look? And get that feeling and get excited, because all those things are possible with the Starch Solution. It's totally up to you what your intentions are. You get to set your own intentions. Remember, don't look back. You're not going that way. You want to look forward. That's the direction you're going towards. You're moving forward. One of my intentions for 2023 is to continue to make videos to educate and inspire you. And you can always come to my channel and find all sorts of recipes that will help you on your weight loss and health journey. And if you feel like you need more support, then please join our Facebook group. There you're going to find recipes, inspiration, and best of all, support. I will leave the link to that in the description box below. I know that starting any kind of journey, whether it's weight loss, health, whatever it may be, it's not always easy. But just remember, you need to just put one foot in front of the other, make small changes. These things do not have to be monumental. You don't have to say, all right, I'm going to stop eating sugar tomorrow. That's it, I'm done. Well, that's not very realistic. Maybe you need to just do it gradually. Whatever you think would work for you. But give yourself some grace and some forgiveness. Do the best you can. Things will come up in your life, family things, work things. may get you off track here and there. You know, just get right back on that train and you'll get closer and closer to your goals. And know that this is a lifelong journey. We never stop learning, we never stop growing, and you don't want to. There's always going to be room for improvement. So if you've made it this far in the video, congratulations, you are on your way. Please comment below with 2023, and that way I know you made it to the end of this video, and I really appreciate your support. I also appreciate all your love and support this past year. It's meant the world to me, and I love doing these videos for you, and I'm so happy that it's helping some of you out there. So look for lots more weight loss videos and recipes, low fat, high carb, all to help you with your journey, whatever that may be. Happy New Year, and remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.